Hello soapy friends, welcome back to Marquis Soaps. Today I'm showing you how I make my loofah soap. So the first thing that I do is I measure out 48 ounces of clear melt and pour soap, and now we're going to pop this in the microwave on 30-second intervals until it is all the way melted down. So it's been in the microwave on and off for about 4 minutes. It is not quite melted all the way down yet. We're going to go ahead and add in our colorant. Today we're using Candy Apple by Nurture Soap. So I am going to have to go and pop this back in the microwave for probably another minute to minute and a half. I was hoping that the rest of those chunks would melt down, but they did not. So I microwaved it down for another minute. But this right now, it looks more like a pink color. It will look red. It will turn to red by the time that it hardens up in its mold. So we want this to be a little bit cooler before we add in our peppermint essential oil. So I'm going to set this to the side and we will prep our mold. So before I prep my mold, let's talk loofahs for a minute. And loofahs are a plant, and I purchased my loofahs from Wholesale Supplies Plus. They come 48 to a pack. I believe they're like $13.45 for 48 of them. And they are the perfect size for my mold. Now previously, I used to buy big ones from Amazon. Loofahs are really hard, and these are really hard to cut. And if these were opened up, they're too big. So these ones are the perfect size. You can buy whichever one you want. They will both work, but it's so much easier to buy them already pre-cut. I will put links as to where I purchased my mold and my loofahs down in the description box below. And it's very easy. You just put one in each of the cavities, and that's it. Perfect. We are prepped. So let's move this back to the side. So we're right at about 160 degrees. So I am comfortable putting my peppermint oil in here now. So peppermint is naturally very strong, so you don't need much. We have about 1 ounce and 48 ounces of soap. So welcome to my kitchen. The lighting in here is not as good. I don't know what the sound will be like, but it is a flat surface to pour these on, so this is where they need to be poured at. If you've seen my other videos, you'll know that my desk is flat, but my floors are not. So everything kind of leans, but in my kitchen it doesn't. Making a mess. Okay, so these will sit here overnight, and I'll bring you back tomorrow to unmold these. And I'll show you how I package them as well. So it is the next morning, and we are ready to unmold our loofah soap. So here is the final product. And these are just a great little scrubby soap. So we have our 6x6 shrink wrap bags. I purchased these from Amazon. The link is down below. We just put it inside the bag in the corner. Our heat sealer. The setting on this is set to 3.5. Now let's get our heat gun. So here it is wrapped, and we'll throw a label on it. I see my labels did not print evenly. Whoops, didn't notice that. But this is the final product. So thanks everyone so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time. Bye.